Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back. In today's video, we are doing maintenance cleaning, meaning we're cleaning areas that don't look that messy to most people. So we are tackling areas that we've either recently already cleaned or areas that we like to keep clean and we don't want these areas to get out of hand. And so I'm tackling my main floor today and I'm setting aside 1 hour to tackle these areas. That includes the kitchen, the living room, the dining area, and our main entryway, including the powder room. Now, I don't actually like to clean, you guys. It's not my favorite thing to do. There are just so many things I'd rather be doing, but it's got to be done. And I've been tackling different areas of my house slowly, and I want to maintain it. And so this regular cleaning has got to happen, and which is why I dedicate just 1 hour or a specific time slot to get the cleaning done. And on this day I only had 1 hour, and so I decided to just do the main floor. If you haven't checked out my video on how to get yourself to clean when you are feeling unmotivated or if you hate cleaning, I'm gonna link it right here. Please check it out when you're done with this video, and get yourself motivated to clean little by little. So today is not a deep cleaning day, so we are just cleaning around the furniture. I'm sweeping everything in these areas off, and then I'm going to mop and I will wipe down the furniture. Today I don't have time to actually take the rugs out and dust them before I started vacuuming, but this vacuum does the trick for me. I'm getting all of the dirt off of both this rug and the dining room rug as well. Now that I am done with all of the floors in all the other areas, including the kitchen, I am just going to sweep this entryway before I mop it, as well as the floor in the bathroom. These are the only rugs that I actually took out because they do collect a lot of dust, and I just needed to dust them outside today. Although I'm not showing it here in this video, just to shorten the length of this video, I did mop the living room as well as the bare floors around the dining room. And now I'm just going to be mopping the entryway as well as the bathroom before I start wiping things down. So our kitchen is the place on our main floor that tends to be the messiest, the fastest. But being able to use our dishwasher is definitely helpful. It cuts my time in the kitchen by half. So I'm thankful that I have a dishwasher, but I do hand wash my big pots and pans and like big bowls and containers and stuff like that. I always do wonder what other people do though. Comment below please if you do things differently from me. Do you hand wash your big plates and bowls and pots and pans, or do you put them in the dishwasher? And if you put it in the dishwasher, do you put them on their own cycle, or do you put them in there with the little plates and the cups and other dishes? I'm just super curious. Maybe comment below and let me know what you do. And now I'm going to use the stainless steel spray to wipe down my appliances and make them look super nice and shiny and brand new. I've talked about this spray before. I absolutely love the impact that it has on making my appliances look nice and shiny. So I'm going to use it on the fridge, the front of the oven, the microwave, and the dishwasher as well. And I'm pretty much done with the kitchen, the living room, the dining room, but one final thing to do is clean the bathroom, and then we'll be done for the day. And that's it, you guys. I'm all done. My hour is up. And so I am putting away my cleaning supplies. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like this type of content, please don't forget to subscribe. Leave me some comments below on what you thought, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.